Alright, so found something already.
Yeah, we just from in front of waterfall and I saw this bush here, you know. So I'm telling Matthew that we call this the GUACO bush. GUACO, GUACO. Yeah, and it's good for skin problems, like for instance you get some itching now, like how the mosquito will bite you up to. You could just crush the leaves out, yeah, so you can rub it on your skin. So it's good for skin irritations and anything to do with like a skin problem. You know, even some like acne and eczema, all them things there too. Fresh leaves, they can just rub it up and rub it on your skin, you know, and it ease the irritation.
Does it work with sandfly bites?
Yeah, it's supposed to work.
Yeah,
yeah man.
Sandflies get me rough.
Yeah.
Yeah, mosquitoes don't do anything to me. Sandflies get me, oh my god, they kill me.
Yeah man, you could try it like freshly when you fresh and just rub it on, you know. If you see some guaco bush, you just rub it on it.
So just to show the leaf so people have a closer idea. So sort of a spade shape.